Welcome back. This is your dearest Lucky sir with the dearest topic alkali metals. And we are in assignment 3. Sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate questions we'll discuss now. Soda ash is Na2CO3. Right? Na2CO3 10H2 is washing soda. This is baking soda. Okay. Coming to these questions, the raw materials used in the Leblanc process are. Leblanc process is generally used for the preparation of sodium carbonate, and these are the raw materials. Now, Leblanc process, I don't think so. This is there in NCERT. You can check once. Black ash, this is also not there at present in NCERT, but you will get somewhere in inorganic chemistry. That is CAS and Na2CO3. Try to remember some mixtures, common names, salts and all. That will be useful for you. The principle involved in ammonia solvay process is, this is something very, very interesting. Low solubility of sodium bicarbonate. Here they will ask you, why can't you prepare K2CO3? And the reason is very simple. KHCO3 is too soluble. That's why this is low soluble. Low soluble is the advantage. KHCO3 is too soluble. That's why we don't use for the preparation of K2CO3. Very, very interesting. 70th question, when CO2 is passed in aqueous solution of Na2CO3, the following is formed. Na2CO3 plus H2O plus CO2 gives rise to 2NaHCO3. Okay. Aqueous solution of Na2CO3, obviously basic in nature. Okay, no doubt in that one because it is made up of strong base and weak acid H2CO3. Alkali metals used in photoelectric cells is potassium and cesium. Complete memory based. Baking soda is sodium bicarbonate. Direct question. The recycled products in solvay process. This is one interesting. Okay, now in solvay process generally we use ammonia, carbon dioxide, sodium chloride, all these as raw materials. And recycled products in solvay process are ammonia and carbon dioxide. These will be getting in the same process. You can use them again and again. The byproduct in the solvay process is calcium chloride is the byproduct. In solvay process, NaHCO3 separates out due to less solubility. Okay, now as we were discussing, and common ion effect, less solubility. Reason, if you want, that is common ion effect. Okay, now it is separated out because of common ion effect. Coming to 77. In the reaction of Na2CO3 with SO2, the change in oxidation state of sulfur. Actually, there should not be any kind of change in the oxidation state. Na2CO3 will become Na2SO3 plus CO2. No change in oxidation state, it is plus 4 in both the cases. 78. An aqueous solution of NaHCO3 is alkaline. Same, Na2CO3 is alkaline, NaHCO3 is also alkaline because of anionic hydrolysis. Okay, now HCO3 minus coming from weak acid. So when it reacts with water, it forms OH minus plus H2CO3. Because of OH minus, it is going to be basic in nature. We were discussing in acids and bases, ionic equilibrium. Done. 79. Na2CO3, NaCO3 can be distinguished by treating with phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein can give color with pink color. The color you are seeing, this same pink color, it can give with this strong. So S, not with this no. The alkali waste in Leblanc process is, this is memory based, calcium sulfite. K2CO3, this question I was telling you, this question. K2CO3 cannot be prepared by solvay process because KCO3 is highly soluble in water. So this is absolutely right. Baking soda is sodium bicarbonate. The question repeated, simple question repeated. Which of the following set of raw materials are used in the manufacture of Na2CO3 by the solvay process? Just now I was telling you, NH3 and CO2 are used like that. Okay. So 83rd question, NH3, CO2, and we are using NaCl, raw materials. 84th question. Which of the following does not participate in the solvay process for the manufacture of Na2CO3? H2CO4 we don't use. Which bicarbonate does not exist in the solid state? LiHCO3 is always This is one, what do you say, anomalous behavior. This is always in the solution state only, not in solid state. Sodium salts, which of the following is not an oxo salt of alkali metals? RBCl. Okay, this is not oxo salt. Oxo means oxo acid salt. Okay, like HNO3, H2SO4, H2CO3, HNO2. This is of oxo salt of hydroacids. HCl is hydrocid, you can say. Which of the following is used as nitrogenous fertilizers in agriculture? These are all memory based questions. You need to remember all this. NaNO3. NaNO3 is called chili saltpeter. Indian saltpeter is KNO3. Pure NaNO2 is a white crystalline solid. When impurities are present, it appears to be. Okay, hello? Memory. Which of the following acts as both oxidizing as well as reducing agent? To function like oxidizing and reducing agent, it must be in the intermediate oxidation state. You just check which is in intermediate oxidation state. When they are present in intermediate oxidation state, they can function like oxidizing agents and reducing agents. If I am not wrong, your nitrogen is with, okay, now +3 state. It can go up to +5. It can go minimum to -3. Intermediate. This is +5. This is +4. This is -1. So this is your answer. In acidic medium, urea can be oxidized to N2 by, again memory, NaNO2. NaNO3 is used in the preparation of, all these can be prepared. Which halide is found in seawater? 92nd, sodium chloride. कभी आप गए ना समुद्र के पास, when you go to beach, just don't think of dance. Taste the water. Okay, don't taste, it is too salty. NaCl is the starting material in all the below processes except in Kastner's process. Kastner's process we use sodium hydroxide molten. Coming to 94th question. Chili saltpeter is NaNO3. Memory based question, direct memory based. Which ions are responsible for the electrical potential across the cell membranes? These biological importance questions you need to remember. Sodium and potassium, as we are discussing first group, that must be sodium and potassium only. K plus ions are essential for metabolism of glucose inside the cell, right? The synthesis of proteins, right? Activation of certain enzymes is right. That's all. The ion that is pumped out of the cell is, the ion that is pumped out from the cell is sodium plus. Okay. So that's all for this session. Alkali metals with more questions will come again. Thank you guys.